The ones I use regularly are RSI, MACD, Stochastics and Momentum. And those I use regularly, but depending on whether I'm in trending or non-trending, I will choose or not. The other ones I like and I use occasionally are another sort of oscillators. Chaikin is one I like quite a lot. It's not so well known. Certainly mean regression is one I use a lot, and 1.6 and 1 standard deviation either side. That's not so much technical, that's a more mathematical type modelling, but I find very useful when you're looking at very long-term charts.
Okay, a lot out there. Do you use volume to help when you're trading? And what can volume tell you as well?
Yeah, if volume is available, use it. Do not forget, definitely. And what volume tells me is, A, when people are, as I describe it, hyperventilating, they've got so excited, it's become such a crowded trade that it's just too much froth going on. Also, when volume suddenly is normally X and suddenly doubles to 2X in a week or something, and particularly in very, very small niche markets, it suggests that somebody is trying to build up a core investment position.
What about moving averages, and if you use them, in what way?
I tend to only use the ones associated with my cloud charts, which is 9 and 26 period moving averages, daily and weekly only I tend to use. And then 50 and 200 day moving averages, which are traditionally the ones that the stockbroking community have used over many, many decades. And it's the crossover system. So have they crossed, you know, am I going to lighten up, or is it time to load up?
What other factors, techniques or indicators should one consider?
Gosh, the list is endless really, isn't it? Really? I mean, anything that you find useful. I mean, I personally like listening to the radio in the morning, news channel. I find, you know, that sort of points me in the right direction of things I should be aware of. Not necessarily markets, but just themes that are going on, themes in terms of elections, taxation, those sort of underlying themes. I find that very useful. I do enjoy reading newspapers in hard copy. I'm very old school. I love reading the newspaper on my way in on the tube in the morning to work. I find that very, very useful. I do follow other websites for news, particularly the business news websites. I find them increasingly sophisticated and their content so broad and often with a lot of depth to it as well. I really take my hat off to the quality of information that we have, and certainly it's not to be ignored.